Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Gravity Forms leads into Salesforce CRM, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Gravity Forms leads into Salesforce CRM, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Gravity Forms plugin on the left sidebar and click on Forms. Select the form you wish to connect to Salesforce. Next, go to the form settings by clicking on Settings. Within the Settings menu, choose the Salesforce add-on. If you haven't installed the Salesforce add-on yet, you'll need to do so first. Once you have the add-on installed, select the option to create a new feed. Enter a name for your feed to identify it easily. In the feed configuration, you'll need to connect to your Salesforce account. Click on the button to authenticate your Salesforce account. Follow the prompts to log into Salesforce and authorize the connection. After the authentication is complete, return to the Gravity Forms feed configuration. Now, select the Salesforce object where you want the leads to be sent. Common options include lead, contact, or custom object. Map the fields in your Gravity Form to the appropriate fields in Salesforce. This step is crucial to ensure the data flows correctly between the two platforms. Match each Gravity Forms field with its corresponding Salesforce field. Use the drop-down menus to select which Salesforce fields align with your form fields. Once you've mapped all the fields, configure any additional settings as necessary. You may want to set up conditions for when to send entries to Salesforce. After finishing the configuration, save your feed settings. Your Gravity Forms setup is now complete. To test the integration, fill out and submit your form on the front end. Monitor your Salesforce account to ensure the lead appears correctly. If needed, make adjustments in the Gravity Forms feed settings to resolve any issues. Regularly check your system to confirm that leads are being captured as intended. That's the complete guide to setting up Gravity Forms leads into Salesforce CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.